And it's Steve from EstateMax here. We're having a new estate sale, November 17th, 18th, and 19th in Germantown, Maryland. We're on the Brink Road side of Germantown, Maryland. This entire large home is completely full. The owner is downsized and didn't take anything. So we'll be open November 17th, 18th, and 19th. Here's a quick video tour. Here's the main living area. The large pieces are original Bernhardt furniture in very, very excellent condition. It's gorgeous. Again, this is a true tag sale. We have virtually everything individually priced to go just because there's so much of it. How about this wall unit? Desk and original artwork remain. File cabinet. Beautiful eat-in kitchen, fully stocked countertops. That's 3 lounge chairs all folded up. Some wrought iron furniture. Tools. Gas grill in great shape. It's clean. This is an outdoor cooler. Another little table and chair ensemble. A couple of these shelving ensembles. Laundry room. Lots of opportunity for shelving and cabinetry. Oh, that's a great Hoover. How about that? Bar stools. Everything you need to complete a righteous bar, including an ice maker. Lots of glassware. Your own cigar store Indian. Still in the downstairs rec room. Really well outfitted for a good time. Leather furniture like stadium theater seating folds out. For you video enthusiasts, fully stocked. Mitsubishi TV with stand. That game table looks like a lot of fun. How about these chip sets? Nice. Be the dealer. Do you say you like Longenberger baskets? This is a fine collection of baskets. They are all for sale. Looking high, looking low. Tools, electronic, and workbench. Electronics. Another nice rug. Great dress mirror. Here's a quick look at the master bedroom suite upstairs. I'll show you the armoires open and close. They're fully functional. End tables, excellent headrest set. Steel headboard, footboard. Here's the armoires closed up. Here's guest bedroom suite 1. Guest bedroom suite 2. All for sale. A couple of rolling racks for apparel. So join EstateMax on November 17th, 18th, and 19th, Germantown, Maryland. Address to be announced the day before on estatesales.org and estatesales.net. Look up Germantown. We'll see you then.